Hello, today you will learn about
Bonjour. Today, let's have a look at simple negations. Today, I am going to show you how to use
ne pas,
in different ways. I am going to show you, we can use it with more difficult and more complex sentence such as the passé composé. So the passé composé is the past tense. So how do you put ne and pas when using the passé composé in French? It is what I would like to concentrate now. When I say passé composé, I mean, for example, I have played or I played.
j'ai joué,
This is very important to know that because, when you want to put this into negation, it is I have not played, or I did not play. In negation we know it is ne. How do we know where to put these words? First, you need to know how to say, I have played. Don't try to translate I played. It does not work in French. Try to translate I have played. Only when you know I have played, you would be able to say, I have not played. So I am going to tell you how to do that. Using this example. I have played or I played.
j'ai joué,
We have adverbs negation.
ne,
And
pas,
we know that ne comes before the verb. And pas comes after the verb. Well, when we use passé composé, it has different parts to do it, such as an auxiliary verb and the past participle.
ne,
Comes before the auxiliary verb and
pas,
comes after the auxiliary verb. In that case,
j'ai,
the auxiliary verb is ai. So you put ne before it. And it becomes I have not played or I did not play.
je n'ai pas joué,
You will have to be very careful with this one. In French, we do not say, I didn't play. We say I have not played. You must remember this before you use the negation in the passé composé. Now, have a look at the reason why I have put an apostrophe. Because a begins with a vowel, so we drop the e of any simple as we do that with je we drop the e.
j'ai joué,
Now let's look at some examples. I have eaten apples, or I ate apples this morning.
j'ai mangé des pommes ce matin,
How would you say? I have not eaten apples, or I did not eat apples this morning.
je n'ai pas mangé de pommes ce matin,
In negation,
des,
will become.
de,
The pattern is the same always, when you use a passé composé. Whether it is first group verb, second group verb or the third group verb, always the same. Now let's look at another example using passé composé using the verb to be.
être,
I went to the market.
je suis allé au marché,
In this sentence we are using passé composé with auxiliary to be and not.
j'ai,
But,
je suis,
and now how do you say? I did not go to the market. Simple.
ne,
Comes before the auxiliary and
pas,
comes after the auxiliary. So,
je ne suis pas allé au marché,
that's all you need to know, the ne, pas using the passé composé. Remember that don't try to translate I did not eat, I did not play, no, never do that. You translate I have not eaten, or I have not played. Let's look at another example. I have seen the movie, or I saw the movie.
J'ai vu le film.
Now, how would you say? I have not seen, or I did not see the movie.
Je n'ai pas vu le film.
Now let's look at another example. She has taken, or she took the train.
Elle a pris le train.
How would you say? She has not taken, or she did not take the train.
Elle n'a pas pris le train.
And another little thing I want to tell you about, the ne, pas negation. The French people, they do not tend to pronounce the ne. Drop the ne. If you want to say, she did not come to the party,
Elle n'est pas venue à la fête.
you would say,
Elle est pas venue à la fête.
if you want to say, I have not eaten this morning,
J'ai pas mangé ce matin.
instead of,
Je n'ai pas mangé ce matin.
remember that most people, when they speak French quickly, they don't pronounce the
Ne.
in negation. Another way you can use ne pas, it's when you say, do not. If you want to give an order, then you put ne pas together. Example. Do not smoke.
Ne pas fumer.
Do not enter.
Ne pas entrer.
Do not disturb.
Ne pas déranger.
That's it for today's lesson in negation using passé composé. Hope you liked this video.
Au revoir et à bientôt.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.